Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your own picture as a background in Google Meet. Okay, to do it we need to click on those three dots right in here, more options, and now select background and effects. Select the backgrounds right in here and select this icon, add your own personal background. Click on that. Now as you can see the Explorer appeared, and now we can simply add the picture of our PC that we want to use as a background. Then simply click on open and it will be applied as a background in our Meet. But remember that if you want to use the personal background, you need to have your camera turned on. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.